So let's play with my dad's industrial pneumatic vacuum cleaner. Hello my YouTubers and welcome again to Silly Sid 123. You join me once again for another video of one of my dad's machines. This machine has been promised on the previous video when I got a video of his NQS, which you guys will be able to see on my channel further down. So here it is, guys. This is my dad's industrial pneumatic. We like to call the twins because of its two smiley faces there. So this is a 2004 SSMF350 industrial vacuum cleaner. It was made by Pneumatic for my dad's workshop. It is a one-off. It's just missing the filter, which is yellow, and it goes between there and there, and it came off a hazardous machine because Pneumatic didn't have this made. This, as I say, was made for my dad. And then later on, it was so good that they decided to carry on its production with the red filter, but didn't last very long because it didn't get much sales, so it got pulled, sadly. For those that want to know how it works, once it goes into here, it goes through this bin and it causes a cyclone effect in there as all the heavy drop to the bottom, all the block work and all the rest of it from our work. And then this hose coming out here, all the fine dust comes through and goes into the top bin, into the bag. Now, because of carcinogenics, there was a filter fitted, that is upstairs, and because of the carcinogenics and my dad's workshop and everything, all the fine dust went through it and it filtered out, and of course, there you have it, and that's how this machine worked. Unfortunately, later on, we didn't know what year it was, but this machine was banned because of its tip regulation. Okay, so we're going to do a short demo for you guys because that does need a clean. It really is needing a clean there after some work we've been doing. So enjoy, and here we go. Okay, so we're going to put it on high. Look at that, the suction has improved immensely. So there we go, my YouTubers. Thanks for watching. Hope you've enjoyed the video. So there we go. That was the short demo. I hope you guys enjoyed. Like, subscribe, and enjoy my videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.